Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is the Dominator demo, and moving right along, the first item is Snafu. If you're looking for a great little label, sell retail for a couple bucks. These are 48 to a case, very inexpensive.
Not a very good case. A lot of shots. So about 10 shots.
Second item is a 16-shot Diamondback. This one is packed 24-1. Another great value item. Third item is Piranha Panic. Great flying fish cake. Fantastic colors in this one. This is a 12-1, 200 gram. All right, next up is Epicenter, another 12-1, 200 gram cake. This is a mined chrysanthemum. Next up is another 12-1, 200 gram cake. This one is called Hammer Time. That was Hammer Time. Our last 200 gram cake is called Mini Mammoth Strobe. This is a 200 gram cake packed 6-1. All right, that was a Mini Mammoth Strobe. Next up is Viper. This is our first 500 gram of the evening. This is packed 4-1. Great value item.
Not in love with the grapes.
That was Viper. Next up's another 4-1, 500 gram cake. This is Meltdown. This is one of our brand new items for 2013. That was Meltdown. Next up is another 4-1, 500 gram. This is Iron Gorilla. All right, that was Iron Gorilla. Next up is another new for 2013 item. This is Boombox. New for 2013, that was Boombox. Next up is another new item for us this year. This one is called Jacked Up. I like that one. All right, that was jacked up, also a 4-1. Next up is Adrenaline Rush. This is a 250-gram cake. Moving on to number 13 on your list is Paparazzi. This is brand new for 2013. That was Paparazzi. Number 14 on your list is Mammoth Brocade, one of our Mammoth series 500-gram 4-1 cakes. These are very popular.
Yeah. We inspired him, didn't we?
How funny.
Happens every time.
Number 15 on your list, another 4-1 500-gram cake, the Detonator. That was number 15, the Detonator. Number 16 on your list is Patriotic Dominance, the 4-1. That was number 16, Patriotic Dominance. Number 17 is another one of our Mammoths. This is Mammoth Crackle.
I'm going to pass it.
That was Mammoth Crackle. Number 18 on your list is Top Shelf. This is a 16-shot fan cake. Also 4-1.
I like that 2-point change. And that's not, I thought it was an insert, but it's not.
That was number 18, Top Shelf. Number 19 is Rip Rock and Roll. This is a 220-shot zipper cake.
I sold this for you. Too slow? Yeah.
That was Rip Rock and Roll. Number 20 on your list is 192 proof. This is another 1-1 zipper cake. All right, that was 192 proof. Number 21 is American Thunder. This is a 4-1 fan cake. That's American Thunder. Number 22 on your list is Mammoth Stroke.
Didn't break much better than Blinken, did it? About the same as Blinken, isn't it? It's a little better.
That was Mammoth Strobe. That seems to have become a popular effect. Last on our list, this is number 23, number 502K. This is a 9-shot rack.
I only had that one that's been bad. Not bad.
All right, that was the Dominator Fireworks demo. Thank you, Joplin, Missouri, and thank you, National Fireworks Association. You guys make sure to stick around for some fantastic displays this evening. We got a lot more to come.